Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn and Suites Sevierville, Pigeon. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn and Suites River Suites is minutes from the Sevierville Events Center at Bridgemont, Great Smoky Mountains National Park and the Pigeon Forge Factory Outlet Mall. Smokies Park Baseball Stadium, home of the Tennessee Smokies, is also nearby. This hotel is near the Dixie Stampede, Dolly Parton's dinner attraction, and Dollywood's Splash Country Water Park. Dollywood Theme Park is 7 miles away. In addition, Cades Cove Park, where wildlife is abundant and several hiking and horseback riding trails originate, is just minutes away. Fun-filled attractions and unique entertainment are close by. Several shopping centers, restaurants and cocktail lounges are located in the immediate vicinity. Guests of this hotel are invited to enjoy a free deluxe continental breakfast and free coffee. The landscaped outdoor pool is complete with waterfalls and a children's pool. Alternatively, guests can relax by the indoor heated pool and large hot tub. This Sevierville TN hotel provides business travelers with free high-speed internet access and fax services. All non-smoking guest rooms include refrigerators and cable television with free HBO. Rooms and suites with microwaves, coffee makers, private balconies or terraces with mountain views, fireplaces and hot tubs are available. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.